Use this tactic in times when you are feeling super stressed out. Have both feet planted firmly on the ground. Allow your shoulders to roll up and back down. Settle into your chair, loosening any tightness you feel in your jaw and your limbs, allowing your eyelids to gently close like me. Breathing in through the nose for 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold for 4 counts. And then we will exhale through the mouth for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do this 2 more times, breathing in through the nose for 4, filling up your lungs and belly, breathing in a full sense of relaxation before pausing that breath for another count of 4. And exhaling through the mouth, wringing out those lungs for another count of 4. And when there's nothing left, go ahead, last breath of this series, breathing in through the nose for 4 counts. And hold. And release through the mouth. You can open your eyes. This is the breath of 4-4-4. And you can do it just once and feel an impact, but what we've done just now is done this 3 times, which I really think is a sweet spot. And you can do this even with your eyes open when you're in public, if you'd like. You can do this in a closed bathroom stall. Get creative with where you'd like to do this, but whenever you are feeling a sense of anxiety, really coming back to the breath and counting can bring so much relief. So I'd love to hear how you are feeling right now after doing the breath of 4-4-4 in the comments below. Have a very relaxed, soothing, and vibrant day. Feeling calm and grounded really sets the stage for that next level leadership power. And I would love to invite you into a very special self-paced container, the Confidence Boost meditation program. It's a 21-day, 11-minute-a-day program that you can actually get for $50 off because you are a YouTube subscriber. Go ahead to thestephaniemichelle.com/confidence boost and use code YouTube50 at checkout.